The
I-
big blue ant.
all right.
Sharp ant.
So here's how we do this. All right, we're going to grab the chicken, and we're going to pull the thighs off, just like that, and we'll put them right here. So they come right off. Here's the other thigh. So we got that. All right, we'll pull the wings out. And so once we've got the thighs and the wings, what's really easy to get to is the breast. So I'm just going to, remember the two pockets I told you about? So I'm going to go to each side of the pocket.
Wow. Did you do this with a turkey?
Yes, this is exactly how I do a
Did
turkey.
you? Wow.
All right, and then so I'm just pushing it in with my thumb like that, and I can just lift that out,
Wow.
just like that. Then what I'll do is I will simply
Beautiful.
just like that, and it's pretty juicy. So we'll take one here,
I have a knife like that.
one here. There we go. And if we want, we can pull, some of it off. There we go. And even if we wanted to, we could separate. So here's the dark meat.
Fast that is.
Way easier than trying to do it with a knife.
All right. And here's the drumstick.
Wow.
See how juicy that is? And we'll
Now,
just
are
do the
those
same here.
just like cleaning gloves or?
These are fisherman's gloves.
Fisherman's gloves.
So they are insulated.
So they
I don't feel the
protecting you
heat.
from the heat,
They're-
yeah.
Yep. And essentially, when you pick a chicken at the end, you use your hands.
Oh, yeah.
So you might as well.
Do it while it's hot because it comes off easier, I think.
Right. So we'll leave the wings alone just like that. And then what we can do, if we want,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
and there, we've just carved the chicken in a couple minutes. All right, and this is not good for anything else except for soup,
Uh-huh.
which is what we'll have tomorrow morning for breakfast. All right, thank you.